channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up and run PHP in the Google AntiGravity. So guys, for run the PHP in Google AntiGravity, so guys, first of all you go for the extension. In the extension you simply search PHP and hit enter. After that guys, here you see there is a one PHP resolver. Otherwise you simply search extension package extension extension package for PHP. By this you get the complete package and you just go and install. Okay, and this is your PHP. And guys, if you want to confused in any of them, so guys, you also check the download. So you also install all-in-one PHP support. Here you see, and it's around 34.4 million. So you just go and install it. Okay, after install you go for the files. You right click on the files and create new files. And make sure when you create the PHP file, so make sure its extension is also .php. Now here you see when I hit and .php, so here check this my symbol. So this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.